The strategies we detail in this video about making money online are life changers. What it takes to do well in online business is knowledge, determination and perseverance. If you have these latter two qualities, then knowledge is all you need to add to your arsenal. The ideas in this video will guide you through the process of learning how to make money online. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. When looking for opportunities to make money online, try the big name companies first. Amazon and eBay, for example, are trusted and have proven to work for millions of people. While it can be safe and lucrative to go with unknowns, the big companies have track records, tools and other ways of ensuring your success from the get-go. Now that you know how to make money online, your next step is to implement your new knowledge. Set forth and be determined to turn your skills into something profitable. If you work hard enough, you'll have no problem making money online every day that you sit down and work. Student loan.